Strawberry Nicholas. What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just bored. What are you doing?
I'm just wondering. Can you be my girlfriend?
Are you serious? No. I'm not being your boyfriend. I'm already taken by Jojo. So it now.
Okay. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Good. Let's go see what those guys are doing.
God damn it. It's so hot in this room. I feel like going home. I will be back. Just to let you know, it's so hot in this room. You may ask, well, if it's hot in outside and inside, what should you do? Put the air on and some fresh. That I have to say. Time to get some sleep.
Come on. Wolfgang does beyond. You can do it. You got 278 laps left. Shut the fuck up, David. I'm doing it. So stop being a dumbass. I mean it.
Ha. David don't know how to write.
Go suck my nipples.
Maybe I should make a grounded video out of David.
You better not. If you do, I will force you to suck my nipples, so go suck my nipples.
David, I see popo cheese.
I'm coming for you, popo chess. David is a snitch to people.
I agree with Sam Craft 10. He being mean to people. I will tell him soon. Yeah. And stay tuned for part 2. So bye guys.